back to today's project. I'm loading up for a local wood delivery and thought I'd bring you guys along. This is how we deliver 95% of our firewood. These bags hold a face cord of wood loose. For those that don't know, a full cord of wood is 128 cubic foot stacked. That's 4 foot tall, 4 foot deep, 8 foot wide, or 3 stacks of 16-inch splits, 4 foot tall by 8 foot wide. A face cord is one of those 3 stacks that make up a full cord. Depending on where you're from, this could also be called a rick cord. The bags allow airflow through the screen and mesh material for seasoning and storage, and they're super durable. We have bags that are on their 4th wood season and still going strong. Weighing in right at a ton, the tractor is easily able to move them around. We'll be filling and storing a lot more of these in the future, so keep an eye out in future videos where I'll go into more detail. Now here's what really makes today's delivery so easy. This is my buddy's 2012 Ford F550 4-wheel drive. It's got a PTO operated Fassi F50 knuckle boom. He uses this for his firewood business that is way bigger than my operation, and he's gracious enough to allow me to use it when it's free. Good friends are such a blessing. The knuckle boom crane on the truck has a lift capacity of about 1,500 to 2,800 pounds depending on the position of the boom. Has a reach right at 30 feet when fully extended, easily lifting and moving the firewood bags. I'll put a picture of the lift chart in if you're interested. Loading with this is super easy. It's hard to believe we ever delivered by stacking into a pickup truck. And all strapped down and ready to roll for tomorrow morning. The testosterone in me feels obligated to say that's not going anywhere. So this is a delivery for one of our local restaurant customers. They use all oak to cook with and prefer smaller splits in the 2-inch diameter range. It's a pretty busy area, so we try to deliver early in the morning and on a weekend. We set the truck up in the road on a downtown side street and offload the bags onto pallets on the sidewalk with the boom truck. Then we roll them down a ramp into the basement with a pallet jack where they have a climate-controlled storage area and easy access. We pick up the empty firewood bags that we can refill for future deliveries. Really works out great compared to some of our other restaurant deliveries. The customer's happy because there's no mess and we don't tie up their loading ramp for 2 hours wheelbarrowing a handful of wood at a time. back up, strap down the old bags, and we're ready to roll. Under 30 minutes to deliver 4 face cord of wood and move it into the basement. Kinda hard to complain about that. So that's the gist of one of our restaurant deliveries. I hope you liked coming along and seeing the process. Now it's time for lunch. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.